Hey, this is Lloyd, and we are going to create an mConnect. So to do that first, we click on phone calls, and generally we're going to want to set up a recording first. So this is something that our callers are going to hear before they're connected to their destination. We can either upload that in MP3 format, or click call to record and get our VoIP number and PIN code to call in and record our message. Once that's recorded, it will show up here in the Recordings tab, and then we'll go over to mConnects. We're going to set up a new mConnect. Give it a name and a description if we want. Attach a VoIP number to it, so you should have some VoIP numbers in your account. If you don't, please contact support@mobilecommons.com. We'll use this VoIP number to connect to your campaign. Destination number is what happens when folks dial this VoIP number or connect by text. Either audio only, they hear an audio and hang up, so that might be a message from you. Transfer callers to, and this is where we can input phone numbers we want. So if we're calling corporate headquarters or field offices, anything that is not going to be in this auto route. So anything you want here. You can also navigate phone trees with the extension box. You can do auto route for Capitol or White House switchboard, and then state and federal legislators. So any office, Capitol office, district office of either state rep, state senator, U.S. congressperson, or U.S. senator. You can also use advanced targeting for federal representatives and for senators to pick which targets you want to call or don't want to call. You can also set up phone books to set people to a list of geographic targets based on where they live, and direct to voicemail, which means they'll hear a message from you and be prompted to leave a message of their own. Audio prompts and language options will give people the option for English, Spanish, or caller chooses, and you can attach your recording here. That we made earlier. If you have a Spanish recording, attach it here as well. Your folks can have an entirely Spanish language mConnect experience with Spanish language recording and Spanish language prompts. You can also set up follow-up texts, which are optional. This is what happens when a user hangs up the phone after making a call, and they're a great way to grow your list. So you can do something for current subscribers like and one for non-subscribed callers. So and ask people to text in to sign up for your list. You can also click on advanced behavior for transcribing your voicemails to text, collecting postal code with the phone keypad, and setting failover behavior. So what happens if a call rings for more than 120 seconds? In this case, we're going to send them to voicemail. You can also put in a failover message. So thanks so much for calling. The line is busy. Please call back later. Once we are set up with that, we are going to click Create. And great, our mConnect campaign has been created. We can review everything here. This is what the VoIP number we're going to use, what's going to happen, any unanswered call behavior, and our subscriber and non-subscriber follow-up. Once we're happy with all that, we click Activate mConnect. And we're good to go. We can test it out by putting your phone number in here and pressing the Call Me button. Your phone will ring, you'll hear your audio and be connected to your target. And that's how we set up an mConnect.